Welcome back to Yadi Legal Reasonings. I'm Nadine Atkinson Flores, Jamaican attorney and US Immigration Attorney. We're talking today about the K1 visa. That's popularly called by a lot of persons the Fiance Visa, where you are petitioning for your intended spouse to come to the United States so that you can get married. A lot of persons don't realize that this is a visa category that also needs a lot of documentation. The crucial documentation needed for this visa type, because as I was saying earlier, there is actually a significant amount of documents that you have to submit. You are essentially trying to prove to the US immigration authorities that this is a real relationship and the person is going to come to the United States and you're going to get married and start your lives together. That is what you have to convince the US immigration officers of, which means you have to submit pictures, you have to submit evidence of the relationship over time. You have to make sure that the immigration officer sees the development and continuation of this relationship between you and your intended spouse. That is extremely important for this visa category. You can download a copy of our free checklist from our website, and you can also check out the section in my book called On Your Feet, which deals with issues like fingerprints, which is something that this visa category also needs when persons are going to be submitting the documentation. Remember, the fiancé visa is one where as soon as you've got it, you're expected to go to the United States, you, the intended spouse, and the marriage is supposed to take place within 90 days of your arrival in the United States. Very important visa category, and one where, as we would say in Jamaica, love a lover bad. It is very useful for persons who are trying to make sure that their spouses or intended spouses come to the United States. Unfortunately, it is only available to citizens of the United States. And that's another important documentation that is needed. You have to prove that you're a citizen, whether by birth or you have naturalized, meaning you would have a certificate of naturalization, which you would have to include with your documents. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and share this information with your friends and family if you found it useful. Take care.